Hi everyone. Today I found a non-venomous Brahmini worm snake in my backyards. As you can see, the scales are smooth, head same width as body, snout round, and tiny scale covered eye visible as just a black dot. Short blunt tail ends in a tiny spine. The body is very glossy and almost uniform reddish brown. The lower portion is lighter, and these are often mistaken for a worm, but a close look will reveal the scales, as you can see here, and eyes and white tiny tongue. They spend most of their life underground, likely to be seen under stones, flowers, flower pots, or while digging in slightly damp earth, and also found in termite mounds and encountered in washroom and houses. These are seen above the ground after rains, and they feed on ants and other small insects and their larvae, and when provoked or picked up will writhe and defecate as it did on my hand. You can see the head portion is slightly reddish brown. One of the very few parthenogenetic snakes known. No males have ever been found, as the females can lay fertile eggs without needing to mate. This species has spread via flower pots almost all over the world, even to snakeless islands.